If you're ready to start making money with AI and ChatGPT, you're in the right place. Codetra here, and in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step how you can get started making money with AI. And if you don't believe me, I'm not only going to give you free AI tools and proof showing exactly what I'm doing, you're going to get access to the digital playbook, which includes a bunch of done-for-you emails, done-for-you videos, all kinds of really cool stuff that we actually use ChatGPT to generate, and we actually drive traffic to things that we can get paid to promote with these AI-generated posts. All of this stuff that I'm going to be showing you in today's video is pretty copy and paste, so you don't have to worry about being an expert, you don't have to have a fancy computer, and you don't really have to have any money to get started. All you have to do is use a checklist that I'm going to be giving you for free today that's going to help you get started step by step with everything that you need to start earning money. Now, if you want all this stuff, by the way, all you got to do is just drop a comment, let me know you're taking action, and subscribe to the channel, and let's go ahead and dive in. So, all right, AI pros, this is the digital playbook right here, Google Sheet, and as you can see right here, this is the step-by-step checklist. Over here, we'll have the Clip Merchants tab that talks more about WAP, how to make money with WAP. Then we have, these are all the prompts that I use as far as for my short form, different text prompts and thumbnail prompts. Then right here is a list of over 130 AI tools that you can get paid to promote. All these have affiliate programs. These are the ones that I'm currently using right up here. These are also some of the top picks that I've used within the past year. These are done for you videos. These are make.com blueprints, and then other library things like different Fiverr gigs I've used, and then other resources. So to get access to all of this, just go to digitalplaybook.com, boom, put in your email, first name, and it will directly take you access to that Google Sheet, and then you can start following along. So going over to the whiteboard, first thing is boom, we got the digital playbook. Second thing is going to be select an AI tool. So like I said, we're going to be driving traffic to different links, which is affiliate marketing. But we're going to be doing that by creating content. And what my mentor told me is ACEs. So that stands for attention, conversation, educate, and then sales. So with attention, we need to post a bunch of content about whatever AI tool that we're going to be promoting. And then that conversation, that comes from building your email list. So you're going to be pushing them to give you their first name and email, pretty much just like what I did with the digital playbook. And then that's where that conversation starts, is you're telling them a little bit about yourself, you're giving them more information and knowledge about this AI tool, and then they sign up for the tool. And then if they continue to use it, you'll get a commission on that rebill. So once we do that, let's go ahead and pick an AI tool. So to become an affiliate for these AI tools, they're pretty easy to find nowadays. If you can't find it, that probably means they do not have an affiliate program. So let's just take Go High Level for an example. We'll scroll down to the very bottom, and right down here, you should see affiliate program, sign up to become an affiliate. Let's take another example like Pixels. This is how you can create thumbnails. Boom, right here, affiliate. So sign up right there. A lot of these, they make it really easy. And then what happens when you do sign up, you'll get a link like this. Boom, you see that link? That is my affiliate link. And this is what you put in your emails. So once you have this, you want to save that link. But let's talk back to the dashboard and replicate content. So I say replicate because I give you a lot of the content as far as the frameworks, but that's where you guys can use a couple of these tools to start building out that short form content. So where's the digital playbook? So right here, the prompts. These are the prompts that I use for my social media platforms. Instagram, not TikTok. Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook are where I post a lot of my social media content. I haven't really tried TikTok yet, just because in the past it just hadn't been working. But what you need to do is create videos. I'm going to show you the type of videos that I create. And with one of the main tools that you need is this tool called, I don't know what that was, a billing issue. This is Go High Level. So I've been using Go High Level for over multiple years now. And that is because it allows you to send emails and schedule out content on a planner. So if you can see right here, I have all my content scheduled out for August, and I have a lot of my content scheduled out for September. Now what this allows me to do is it allows me to, let's say if I'm having a busy day, blah, blah, blah. I know something's gonna get posted. Now, are these videos like the best? No, but they work and they're easy to mass produce, especially with using AI. So let me show you with like one of these videos looks like. Boom, edit, should be able to hear. Oh, so this is not one of the videos I'm talking about. If you want to know what those are just kind of to generate more views. So let's actually just go to uploads, loading.
Here are 3 websites you're probably not even supposed to know exist. First, AIArmyClone.com. It's a secret guide to duplicating yourself online and making serious money. Second, DigitalPlaybook.com, a database of over 400 tools that pay you passive income. And the third one? I can't even say it here, it's too terrifying. It lets you send millions of messages
so you
with
get the
bots.
idea as far as the short form style, how I'm telling you to comment on the post below, the different digitalplaybook.com, AI Army Clone, those are both domains that I own. So when they go to that link, they get sent over to, boom, this opt-in form, so you can start building your email list. Now, the way that I created those videos was with a tool called Replicate right here, which you just put in a prompt and I give you those prompts right here. But you guys probably don't want to do all that. There's a simpler solution, and that is so what VSub allows you to do is it allows you to create AI videos and cinematic, then you can have the text right over it. And it has an affiliate program as well. So you can make videos promoting VSub using VSub, voila. What I do though is I just use my personal face because I think it looks cool. I've made some cool videos doing that. So log in, do that. If you want me to make a video on how I use this, I can make a separate one. But this video right now is more so showing you the frameworks and giving you the checklist right here that says, boom, sign up for the 14-day free trial. These are the tools that I use as far as posting my social media accounts. So Blotato, so I haven't been using this one as much because I found VSub, but it's the same deal. You have all these different styles where you can create the AI videos. You put in the prompt that I give you down here. On the prompts, it'd be one of these. Just change out the domain, create the video, start posting it on your mark or your social planner, which you have right here. You got the content, sending traffic to your link. That is what I mean by posting content, and then automate and repeat. The framework is very easy, but it's hard to do because it takes a little bit of time. And if it was easy to do, then everyone would be doing it. But I posted these videos for over a year, but recently I stopped posting because I got a strike on my YouTube channel. And so before I was getting, 300, 400 views, which was really good, at least for me, with the type of content that I was making as far as screen sharing, things along the line of this nature. But the fact is, people don't want to put in the work to do this. They want the golden shiny object. They want to make money fast when that's not the case. Like, I've been doing this for a year and it started to pick up after probably 4 months of me posting every day on YouTube, Facebook, building my email list, building the trust with the people, with you guys. So if this is something where you guys are just wanting to not really build something and maybe you think you can just post a video and it goes viral, this isn't the video for you. But if you made it this far, then you have everything that you need essentially to get started and to really build an infrastructure that allows you to use AI, post content, get email addresses, and start building something. So down here too, like cold outreach. So what I was doing before, this is completely off topic, but I was sending people DMs of the Digital Playbook on Twitter, on Instagram, commenting just to get the algorithm used to my content and stuff, making a Facebook post. So there's always things that you can be doing, whether it's creating content, everything. I've repeated myself a couple times, but let me know down in the comments if this makes sense. But that is going to be it for this video, AI Pros. I'll see you in the next one.